Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.